Hi, shout out to Yana, who is a business coach and mentor. I did phase 1 of the Sell Your Expertise program with her, and it was informative. It was something that helped me understand where I needed to be and where I wanted to go with what I wanted to do. It has allowed me to crunch down on what I wanted to do, and it assisted me in finding my specific niche as well. So before this program, I didn't know what I wanted to do exactly because I was all over the place. So I have a background in quite a bit of things, and that is where the program helped and assisted me to say, come towards yourself and learn to understand what it is that you want to do, specifically focusing on one thing and not on all of the things that you've got within yourself. So it really centered me in my niche. Would I recommend Yana? I would definitely, because as I said, the program allowed me to center myself in what I want to do going forth with my business. And if it can do that for me, it would be doing that for you as well. And so much more. Most definitely do the Sell Your Expertise program. It will help you, it will assist you, and it will elevate you. Thank you.